Welcome to the Socrata Data Academy course on Fundamentals of Data Analysis for Government. I'm Oliver Wise, and I'll be your host for the first topic in the course, an Introduction to Data Analysis. Let's get started. Before we get going, a bit about me. I'm currently a digital government principal at Socrata, where I partner with state and local governments throughout the country to improve program delivery and outcomes using data. Previously, I was the Director of Performance and Accountability for the City of New Orleans, where we use data to set goals, track performance, and get results across city government. All right, let's get started. Data analysis is important because it is one of the most critical activities in informing government policy and services. Analysis is the primary way in which data is transformed into information and knowledge so that it can be applied in the real world and used to the greatest effect. In this course, you'll learn what analysis and data are and aren't, how to find data and what you can do with it once you do, how to distinguish between valid data, facts, and opinion, basic logic and descriptive statistics, and ways to put all this into practice in your daily work. You'll do this in the context of a real-world example from the public sector. So, let's dive in. In order to best use data analysis in your job, it helps to define exactly what it is, even if your role doesn't have the word analysis in it. Odds are that you're doing some kind of analysis at some point. Analysis involves an in-depth examination of the fundamental elements or structure of something. It is the process of breaking that thing down into its components in order to understand how it works, why it appears the way it does, and how its pieces interact with each other. The thing in question could be a physical object, a natural phenomena, a business process, or a government policy. Most importantly, analysis moves beyond simply describing something and offers a detailed examination and explanation of its nature. Have you ever decided where to go on vacation? Balancing where you want to go against how much you have to spend is a simple form of analysis. How about evaluated vendors for a contract? You're doing analysis there as well. Or what about made an argument for starting a new program in your department? Yep, that's also analysis. When you realize that most people perform some form of analysis in their daily lives, it makes it seem less daunting. On top of that, once you learn some of the approaches and tools from this course, you'll realize how you can use data in combination with analysis to have a much bigger impact in your daily work. Analysis in the abstract can be difficult to understand, so in this course we'll be walking you through a case study based on a real-world example. In this situation, you are a new employee in your city's Office of Performance and Accountability, and you are on a team that has been tasked with helping to identify residences that have a higher fire risk by not having smoke detectors installed. The ultimate goal is to help those people get access to the fire department's program for installing free smoke detectors. Get out some paper, really, get a paper and something to write with, and write down a few ideas of what information you need to start analyzing this problem. Don't think too hard, just write a few things down.